Hey guys, it's Jennifer with the De Vivo Real Estate team, and I am inviting you to my Miracle Morning Workshop. It's going to be April 25th from 10 to 12. We're going to be discussing the concepts of the book, The Miracle Morning. If you haven't read it, it's an awesome read. We're going to be giving out free books. If you have read it, it's a great review. What do you need to do to power your life, to get up in the morning, to really achieve all your goals, all your dreams? I will be teaching the class. I've implemented this in my life, not always perfectly, but hey, it's definitely been something that has been a game changer and a mover. People always want to say, hey Jen, how do you do so much? I'm going to share some life hacks with you. So come on out to the Miracle Morning Workshop with me. I'll be teaching you. And I am teaching a class. I love teaching. Not just on camera, but also in person. I'm going to be doing a class workshop called The Miracle Morning, based on the book, The Miracle Morning. People always ask me, Jen, how do you do so much? You're in real estate, and I also sing. If you look up De Vivo, you'll see some of my singing stuff. I have kids, career, go to church, spiritual life, mental. How do you do and balance all of that? Career and mind and body and spirit, and get up and keep going. Well, I've definitely had to, rechange my mindset. And I'm going to give you some of my cracks and hacks based off of this amazing book, which we're going to be giving away a couple of the books for free in this workshop. And if you are just struggling in your life, if you're struggling to get up in the morning, if you're struggling with your mindset, if you're feeling depressed, if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling like overwhelmed by life, it happens to us all. If you look in my YouTube channel, I did an interview on the TED show where I talk about some of the struggles. And when you're an entrepreneur or you're a realtor, this is kind of geared towards realtors, but anyone who is an entrepreneur and they have to get up in the morning and make it happen. There are days where you're ready to do it, and there are days where you just want to hide in bed. So I'm going to break down the principles of the Miracle Morning, and it's something that can be done in as little as 5 minutes. I'm going to be breaking down a concept called S.A.V.E.Rs, silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. We're going to break that down, how you can implement that in the morning to really just rocket launch your day, burst you into your day, burst you into action to really get the stuff done that you need to get done to move your life forward, your family, all the things that you want to get done. And we're also going to talk about this concept called the 5-second rule. I was talking to my daughter about it the other day, and she's like, you mean like when something falls on the floor and like 5 seconds and you got to then pick it up again and you can eat it? No. This 5-second rule was by here. Mel Robbins did a TED Talk. So look at the TED.
To sound good to other people. Being healthy will not get your ass on a treadmill. Losing your man boobs so you could hook up with somebody? Now that's motivation. So I want to know, what do you want? Do you want to triple your income? Do you want to start a nonprofit? Do you want to find love? What is it? Get it right here. You know what it is. Don't analyze it to death. Just pick something. That's part of the problem. You won't pick.
And I really believe that the 5-second rule is great to marry with the Miracle Morning, because even though you might know what to do in your Miracle Morning to get your life going, get it started, rock your day, sometimes you need that little 5-second click. What do I do to get myself out of hesitation, out of fear, out of depression? What is it that I can do to get up, put my shoes on, get to the gym, get to work, call the client? And it's about everyday courage, okay? And in life there's things that are difficult every day. Sometimes it's as simple as making a sales call. Sometimes it's as simple as making a phone call to a friend or family member that you've been avoiding. And there's a way to get out of fear and out of hesitation and into action. So we're going to marry these two concepts. This workshop is going to be at the end of this month. Guys, come on out. I'm going to be teaching it. It's going to be from 10 to 12, just a couple of hours. So come, say hello, hang out, and let's improve our lives together.